Do you want me? Answer me, Catherine.
I do.
And?
Master.
Good girl. You're mine, remember? No one can lay a hand on you without my permission.
Hello?
My beautiful bridesmaid, where are you?
Oh my gosh! I'm on my way.
Hi, Catherine. Come meet my husband, Ryan. This is my best friend, Catherine.
I'm Ryan Walker.
Nice to meet you.
There we go. Ready?
I never thought Molly's husband would be Ryan. I can't watch him ruin her like this. What should I do? Should I tell Molly the truth? Ryan, what are you doing?
Look at me, Catherine. I am your master. Stop messing around.
I'm messing around? You're the one messing around. How could you do this to Molly?
Give me a break. Call me master or I'll punish you.
I'm not calling you anything.
Call me master or your dad will die.
Is it being cleaned?
Ryan, hide quickly.
Don't worry. She can't get it.
It's locked. Forget it.
This is going too far, Ryan. I have to get out of this mess.
You can't break the contract.
Fine. Then let's terminate it then.
Take that back.
If you and Molly truly love each other, why do you need me? We could end on a high note. Isn't that a good thing?
No!
Why?
Because I hate you.
Hi, Catherine. I can't wait to introduce this handsome to you. This is Ryan's younger brother, Leonardo. And Leo, this is my best friend, Catherine.
Wow, Catherine, you are so beautiful.
Thank you. And those strong family genes. You look great.
You two will make a beautiful couple. Am I right?
You're not a good match for her.
What do you mean? Why not?
Because you're too innocent for a girl like her. Don't let their looks fool you.
Ryan, don't talk about Catherine like that.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be mean, but Leonardo doesn't know her that well. Trying to warn him.
Okay, well, isn't this a great chance for me to get to know her?
No, you don't have a chance because she already has a boyfriend.
Catherine, you have a boyfriend?
When did you get a boyfriend, Kat?
Well, it's not exactly official yet. Sorry, Molly and Leo. I'm not ready to discuss. Anyway, I have to use the bathroom. Excuse me.
Because I hate you.
Why does he hate me? I have to know. Molly?
Catherine, do you really have a boyfriend? When did you start dating?
We just started dating recently. I'll introduce him to you later.
Great. Ryan and I are going on our honeymoon to Alcia tomorrow. What kind of gift would you like?
Let me think about it.
See you.
Bye. Come on, Kat. You actually loved Caden. Ryan's just... well, it's just your hormones. You only have 30 days left in the contract. You'll be free soon.
Come to room 807 at the St. Regis Hotel immediately.
Ryan, tonight is your wedding night with Molly.
I want to see you in half an hour. Otherwise, your father...
What do you want, Ryan?
You know what I want.
What do you want, Ryan?
You know what I want.
Do you think this is fair to Molly?
Shh. Molly is in the next room. She might hear us.
She's in the next room?
I know. Pretty hot, right?
And you're insane.
Better behave, or I'll do something even crazier. And that's master to you.
I'm not calling you that anymore.
You're not disobeying me, are you? You seem pretty desperate to see Molly, huh?
Right.
Who is it?
Hello, sir. I have the red wine order.
Thank you so much. Bear a child for me.
What? What did you say? Bear a child for you? No way.
Why? Is it because you're still thinking about Caden? Is it because he's the first one who made you come? That's why you can't forget him?
My first time was with you.
Liar. You lost your virginity before you turned 18.
I met you when I was 20. How could you possibly know what I was doing when I was 18?
Of course I know.
This is the first time we met. But why does he look so familiar? Could I have lost my memories of Ryan? Who is he? Is this a dream? No, this isn't. I've been here before. He's... Who was that man? Stop! I've been here before. That man. He was lying down right here on this hill. He was right here. I think I'm starting to remember. Was that girl me? Then, who was that man? Who was that man? I'm trying to picture his face.
Catherine!
What happened?
You fainted. I'm taking you to the hospital right now.
No, I'm fine.
No, we need to get you to the hospital and have you looked at.
You're right. Thanks. Ryan's calling.
Where are you, Catherine? Is that another man's voice?
I'm in a taxi on my way back to the apartment.
Really?
Why would I lie to you?
Yeah. I'm glad you know that.
Just drive me back to the apartment, okay?
It's me. Where have you been?
Aren't you supposed to be on your honeymoon? Aren't you supposed to be on your honeymoon? Hey, answer my question first. Why are you here and where's Molly?
Stop covering my mouth and I'll tell you.
Tell me now.
She's still at Elisa.
You left her alone in Elisa? Why?
Just ignorance.
No, it's Molly. Molly?
Hi, Catherine. There's a party at the Walkers the day after tomorrow. Let's go, okay? What's wrong, Kat? What's wrong, Kat?
I'm swamped right now. I have to go, but I'll see you later. Are you crazy, Ryan? Molly almost caught us.
Don't call me Ryan, darling. Call me Master.
Mr. Walker?
Ryan, Luca wants to see you.
Come on, call me master. You know I like it.
Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker is not feeling well.
Guess I'll make it up to you next time.
Catherine, don't think like that. Wake up! What? Was he the man who kissed me on the hill? Was that man Ryan? Why can't I remember anything?
I need to ask Robert for more details.
Catherine, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I asked you first. What are you doing here?
I came here to regain my memories.
Well, what do you remember?
I only remember being here with one person. That man. Was that you?
We'll be together forever, right?
Of course. Ryan, I was just playing with you. He's my true love.
No. No,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Fine. Then tell me, why do you hate me so much? Let go. Where are you taking me?
Back to the apartment. Luca, take Catherine back to the apartment.
What about you, sir?
You can pick me up and take me back to my family when I'm down here.
Yes, sir.
Luca, do you know why Ryan hates me so much?
I'm sorry, miss. I can't tell you.
I just want to know if there's been some sort of misunderstanding between us.
Molly, when are you and Ryan expecting to have a baby?
Don't worry. We're working on it.
Well, good. You can stay here tonight.
Sorry, I actually have plans tonight.
Oh, no, you have to stay. Robert, Mira, I have something to tell you.
Yes, Grandma?
Robert, I need you to fetch something from the nearest pharmacy.
Are you all right?
Battle? It's for Ryan, so Molly can get pregnant sooner.
Hello?
It's me. Come downstairs.
Now?
Yes. Hurry up. Luca, get out of the car.
Mr. Walker,
No.
Yes, sir.
Ryan, what's wrong with you?
Master needs you. Come on.
I told you I'm not going to cooperate with you anymore.
Just this once.
So here's the thing. If you chop it up and just use this as a surrogate.
I was adopted? I was adopted? Oh, sweetie, you're home sooner than I thought. Mom, is this true? I guess I was naive to think that I could keep it from you. Wash, sweetheart, we love you, always, as if you were our own.
We all love you very much.
Mom? Dad? I love you too, but didn't I deserve to know about this? Molly?
Catherine, I really need to talk to you. Can you come see me?
Sure. I could use a change of air. I'll see you in a minute.
All good, Kat. Everything's gonna be okay.
Did I know Ryan Walker 4 years ago?
President of Walker Enterprises? I didn't even know him 4 years ago. Did you?
Dad, 4 years ago, Was I really just in a car accident?
Yes, I promise you. Now, go meet with your friend. Don't keep her waiting.
I hope that memory remains lost.
Kat, how's your dad?
He's been receiving treatment and doing much better recently.
Oh, that's good. I have something to tell you. I can't get pregnant. I've seen a doctor, and he tells me it'll take a really long time to treat.
Time will heal. You just have to be patient.
But Mrs. Walker is urging me to have a baby soon. Last night, she even tried to drug Ryan and me with aphrodisiacs.
That's why Ryan was so crazy last night.
Kat, can you pretend to be Leonardo's girlfriend? It'll help me divert Mrs. Walker's attention. Leonardo's already agreed. Please help me, Kat. I can't lose my status in the Walker family.
I'll do it.
Really? Thank you, Catherine. Hi, babe. Kat, my husband wants to talk to you.
Mr. Walker, hi. What can I do for you?
Catherine, how dare you turn off your phone?
Sorry, Mr. Walker, I can't hear you.
I want to see you at the apartment now. Otherwise,
Yeah, sure. Bye.
What did Ryan say?
He found a top doctor for my dad.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so great. I'm sure your dad will feel better soon.
Thank you, Molly. Mr. Walker's doing this because of you.
We're best friends.
Listen, I have to go home and tell my mom and dad the good news, so I'll see you later.
Yeah, see you.
What can I do? I can't take it anymore. Someone help me.